Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So this is a new one for me, and one that's going to show you how some things are created really just to cost you more money. And like I said, this is kind of like a far-reaching thing that just got put into place. So I want to share that with you because it'll affect a lot of us, myself included. So let me go ahead and explain exactly what just happened. So this is just for California. So if you don't live in California, you're safe for now, but other states could adopt this as well, but they're starting with California. So for the most part, you can kind of buy whatever you want for your vehicle. There's a lot of air intakes are banned to be purchased in California due to smog emissions and all that kind of stuff. But some companies will still ship it to you. And for the most part, you can get anything you want. But imagine now not being able to buy any tire that you want. And that's exactly what just happened. So California has adopted a new regulation for replacement tires. And when this fully goes into effect, it'll make 70% of the tires that you can buy right now illegal, meaning you can't go get them installed anywhere in California or just buy the tire. You're probably wondering, what does a tire have to do with anything that they would ban 70% of the tires available now that you won't be able to buy or install in your vehicle going forward? And the whole reason behind this is that they're saying that when you buy new tires now, you can only buy certain ones that have a lower rolling resistance that will save fuel. And that's kind of where the far reaching comes into play. So they're only approving so many tires that have a lower rolling resistance that you could buy after your OEM tires wear out. And the problem with this is most of the tires that have a lower rolling resistance will be more expensive. And especially since it's going to be regulated, it means that if there's 10 tires available and there was maybe 100 before, you know that those 10 tires are going to be a lot more expensive, knowing that people in California have to buy them. So you're going to see price increases on that. And then they're saying it's all going to save money. But in the reality, what's going to happen, and it's happened before when they do things like this, is going to be more expensive to replace tires. So people are going to either A, push their tires longer to the limits before they have to replace them, or just buy used tires off somebody off like Facebook or eBay to try to replace them, which you don't know the quality of those either, or if they've had repairs done that they shouldn't. There's a lot of things if you're buying used tires. So I just couldn't believe that. So something as simple as just buying tires, or you could go, Tire Rack, a lot of places online, select what you really like for your car, no matter the price, get it shipped, get it installed, no matter where you are. Now that's going to change. And like I said, it's just for California right now, but you could see other states adopting the same thing. They're kind of steering you toward a certain direction, saying these are the tires that you could choose from. So it won't be just the array of tires that they have now. They said 70% of those will not be able to be sold in California. So if you're close, you could go across the state and get tires. That would probably still be an option for many people. But if it's like an 8-hour drive, it might be worth it. Just depends, or if you know somebody that can get them shipped to you. But yeah, I thought that was a crazy thing, and it just happened a few weeks ago that they approved it. So it's got to happen in California. And like if things aren't already expensive here, now if you need a new set of tires, it's going to cost you even more money. And not only that, like I said, the options are going to be really limited. You're not going to be able to go and get the best tire that you want for whatever your needs are. That's going to be shrunken down, and you're going to have to choose from the options that California is saying you're allowed to put on your vehicle. So just a crazy thing that doesn't seem right. And I want to get your guys' opinion on it. Like I said, what are your thoughts on this? I've never heard of something like that where something as basic as tires that they could tell you what you can and cannot buy. So again, I just want to keep you guys informed. Everyone's having a good day out there, staying safe. If you have any questions or comments, definitely leave them below. I'll get right back to you. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.